blew the fucking coolant system right out of it. It was to be expected. I don't know what actually popped. But I broke something. It was pissing everywhere. Doesn't really give a fuck. Still runs. That was really good. There's the thermostat doing something. It's a little warm. That's exactly what I wanted. No traction. How's this side? Perfect. That's exactly what you want. This fucking thing is a brute. Let's disconnect the battery before it fucking catches on fire. There we're all. That's pretty good if I do say so myself. And that's just to take some grip off so it drifts a little easier now. Fourth fucking gear, that was like 120 mile an hour. That fucking thing just went right over. First, the second was pretty fast too. That's fucking awesome, and it still runs. Back down to idle. No fucks. 3.9s, man. Fucking 3.9. I don't know if the second gen Panther would be able to do that for that long. I think the computer would say, hey, cut it off, come on. I think the computer would step in at that point. But it's pretty good. There's a lot of fucking Parmesan. A lot of fucking Parmesan. Fucking time to make a pizza. Damn it. I was gonna put a sticker on the window, but yeah. So I gotta put another sticker. Also, we blew a fucking hole in this thing, so I have to patch it. I think it's just a pinhole, so it shouldn't be a big deal. Get it nice and fucking wet window. There you go. The thing that's gonna make this engine last forever now. The old Prolong. Of course it's fucking crooked. Fuck. Now there's water on it. You fucking cocksucker. Now it's gonna last for 100 more fucking years, which I probably shouldn't have put that on.